We are doing Free Code Camp, JavaScript algos and data structures. We are in the basic JavaScript course and we are doing challenge 84 of 113. So challenge 84 is going to be accessing object properties with dot notation. Okay, so there are two ways to access properties in an object, dot notation and bracket notation, similar to an array. Dot notation is when you use the name of a property you're trying to access. Here's a sample. So we have a object here, my obj, and it has a property prop1 and prop2. So we can access the first property, prop1, as in the value that it is set to, by assigning it to a variable and saying it is assigned to my object dot prop1. So we're entering my object dot prop1. So this will set it to val1. So yeah, as you can see, prop1, this would have a value of val1 because my obj dot prop1 is this prop1, which is that. So we are going to read the property values in test obj using dot notation. We're going to set the variable hat value equal to the object property hat and set the variable shirt value to the object property shirt. So this makes more sense when we look over at the code and we see test object is an object because the curly braces, and it has properties of hat, shirt, and shoes, and each of those properties has a value. Okay, so we're going to change these lines of code so that the hat value is equal to the hat value of ball cap, and the shirt value is equal to the dot shirt value of jersey. So we have these two constants, these two variables assigned to the test object. So both of these right now are assigned to this entire object. So we're going to change these by just saying dot. We want the hat value, so test obj. We are now assigned to this test object, and we want to assign the hat. So dot hat. So now we are just grabbing that hat value. And then same thing with this shirt. We want to grab the shirt value. So we want to enter test object, and dot shirt. And you can see this by console logging shirt value. We get jersey because that is what is stored in test obj dot shirt, which is the shirt value. Same thing with the hat value. Test obj hat is ball cap. We're accessing test obj dot shirt, which is the shirt, or the dot hat, which is the hat value. All right. Hope to see you guys in the next one.